Welcome to my channel. We are going to learn how to make reversed single crochet. For the first row, I make single crochet. For reverse single crochet, chain 1 and do not turn. Insert the hook in the first stitch, yarn over, and pull up a loop. So there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Insert the hook in the next stitch and repeat the process across. This is the result. It creates sturdy edging for any garments.